Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Christ, bro.
What the f are you doing? Well, don't cut me off. Then don't.
Yeah, but he has considerable influence over the federal open market.
Man.
And you know that.
Well, don't hit me.
And he has a single vote as do the other people. Sure. Second, saying the woman from Alabama who talked about not getting federal aid is going to the cities and states, and the cities and states are paying that out. So let's not act like taking money from pocket one and putting it in pocket two, then giving it out isn't coming from pocket one.
Wow. Oh my God.
What the f?
Alright, he made the 28 yard.
You better. Oh my.
Alright, hey, good save. Alright, so.
Hey, Brady 7 pack, they come in bunch.
But I still don't know how great they are. I could eat every one of them.
What the f are you doing?
speak shtick one bit. I think she's far more smart and far more savvy than conservatives have given her credit for, and she is an outright Marxist. It is very clearly.
Yes.
Continue to I-680 North, Sacramento, Martinez.
Of socialist and communist regimes. And you know what it is amazing? Is
Continue to I-680 North.
Oh, what the? Jesus.
Start emergency deal.
Ya, ya va.
What are you doing, dude? What are you doing?
I've seen a dozen texts and I ain't heard Jack. I guess she's busy playing hard to get back.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. God damn. Okay, Garmin. Save video. God damn it.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.